Guys, I am at Dollar General, and right now the green dots are buy one get one free from July 16th through July 22nd, and they have such a good selection left at my store. So if you have a Dollar General close by, you might want to stop in yours and see what they have left. I mean, these pretty dishes are still here. $2, so buy one get one free. Look down here, Home Sweet Home. Look at this pretty picture, and it's ceramic, $10, green dot, so buy one get one free. Down here, isn't that cute? All of this stuff is green dot. So I just wanted to show you in case you would like to stop by Dollar General. They do not have any new fall decor out yet. I was looking for fall decor, but I haven't found any yet, but I did find this good sale. They have some rugs, some cute pillows down here. It's good to be home. And look, here's the milk can or milk jug vases that I used for my fall floral arrangement that I uploaded the tutorial a few days ago. Green dot, so buy one get one free. So they have the white ones and the black ones. Then those pretty vases, all these canisters, all on sale. So I just kind of wanted to show you what they have left. Isn't that cute? All these baskets, perfect for picnics. There's a little wreath that we could do a DIY with. I'm going to shop around a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you what's on clearance this week, and today is Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. I just turned around, and behind me they have their summer decor purple dot home 50% off, and they have a lot of cute things left too. So right now is a really good time to shop for summer decor at Dollar General. Look at these cute coffee cups. Crabby in the morning. So it'd be $2. So cute. It says anchors away. Hope anchors the soul. Have some candles, fish decor, all kinds of nautical decor. Aren't these cute down here? These little whales, little canister sets. All 50% off purple dot. Look at the dishes. So I just wanted to show you these two.